Okay, after we won the Super Bowl, every city gets to have a parade.
Yeah.
And you've seen these different parades for the World Series and different teams win the Super Bowl. Well, New Orleans had to have a Mardi Gras parade for the Saints. And they pulled all them floats out of the dens and picked certain ones with the slipper and put the kicker in the slipper. And they put the Saints on one of the best floats, and Drew Brees was having a great time, and everybody. This was a big turnout, as big as Mardi Gras Day. You had almost a million people in the street, and they partied from the Superdome, which is on Porter Street, down Porter Street to St. Charles Street to Canal Street, and almost a million people turned out, because when the word got out that the New Orleans Saints was having a Mardi Gras type parade, everybody from Houston,
it wasn't just
it wasn't just the locals. All the past players were on the floats.
Was Archie on the float?
Archie was out there. Everybody was here. All the guys that played for the Saints when they were the Aints.
Yeah.
They came out to woodwork. It was a heck of a day.
They finally got to enjoy
the victory.
The victory.
Because we had the thrill of defeat many a time.
Oh, yeah. The agony of defeat. The thrill of defeat.
The agony of defeat, the thrill of victory.
That's it.